For $7.99, I am not mad at it. Hey beauties, so I have an exciting video for you guys today. We're going to be doing a full day wear test on the new Maybelline Tinted Moisturizer. This lightweight tinted moisturizer provides a fresh feel and natural coverage with 12-hour hydration. 76% natural origin ingredients with aloe. Tinted moisturizer is only $7.99, which makes it exciting because it's more of an affordable tinted moisturizer for those of us who want to save some coins. So I'm going to apply it with you guys, and then I'm going to go about my day and come back and let you see how it wore. So if you're interested in seeing that, of course, stay tuned. I do have a combination oily skin, so this is a test to see how well it works for my skin type. I only have on my primer, so we're just going to go ahead and apply this. All right, so the shade that I chose is 330. This is the shade that I used in the Maybelline Superstay. It definitely feels good. It feels very lightweight applying. So that's some good coverage as well. And I'm definitely seeing a glow, so to speak. I could see that hydration. It doesn't look like when I applied my other tinted moisturizer, like the Fenty, which is more like a matte. This one definitely is giving me some kind of glow. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so tinted moisturizer might be my new favorite thing because, oh my gosh, like look at this coverage. And then it just has this beautiful glow to it. When you get into this skin, so it says it has a natural look and fresh feel with buildable coverage. This definitely, as you guys can see, is a beautiful natural look. You can see some of my blemishes still. It's definitely a skin light finish, but it did give really good coverage considering I just use, you seen what I use. It definitely gave me some good coverage. So I am liking it. I like how dewy it is. It looks really nice, really natural. Looks like my skin is healthy. So far, so good. This is, wow, $7.99. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just finish my face real quick, super natural, because I don't want to take away from the actual skin tint. So I'm not gonna use like a heavy concealer. Just gonna go in with my Maybelline multi-use concealer. This is in Golden. I'm gonna add some warmth back to my face with my LYS bronzer. All right, beauties, so I'm back. This is the finished face. I want you to get into this skin, okay? This is an $8 tinted moisturizer. $8. Take that in. It looks so good on my skin. Why didn't y'all tell me about tinted moisturizers before? Like, I don't think I would have ever put on foundation. This is just so pretty. Like, it just reminds me, I'm not going to compare it to Fenty, but I'm saying the same effect. It literally, I get the coverage that I need. I don't feel like I need a lot. I still want to look like me. You still see my skin coming through, but it's some good coverage This one has like more of a hydrating, you know, you can tell right off the bat that it's not matte with this one, but it just applies so beautiful. Everything that I use went on top nicely. I will have everything that I use down in the description box, so definitely check that out. But it's lightweight, absolutely lightweight. What does it say? Fresh feel, buildable coverage. Definitely just feels fresh. I mean, look at my face. This is an $8 product. Like, I don't know. I'm happy with how I look right now. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think down below. But can you tell, like, this is not foundation. This is a skin tint. I'm feeling it. I really am. So the next step is definitely to see how it wears. For me personally, I'm not planning on wearing a skin tint if I'm going on some super long days and strenuous work. So I'm not going to test it all day. But I'll be back in a few hours just to show you guys how it works when my oils start coming through, you know, if it breaks it down or if it holds up. But so far, so good. I'm not mad at it. This is $8, so yeah. If you aren't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up. So the time is now 11:12, and I'll be back shortly. The time is now 6:43. We made it. My oils definitely came through, and if you can tell, the skin tint definitely broke up around my nose, my mouth, basically my T-zone area. But I'm not mad at it. For $7.99, I am not mad at it. Look at my face. This is pretty good. It is so humid outside. It's like 30 degrees Celsius. We use Celsius, so it's 30 degrees Celsius, which is like, I don't know, I think it's like 90 degrees or 80 degrees Fahrenheit for you guys. So it's hot. It's humid, okay? So considering all of that, this held up pretty well. I'm honestly not surprised though, because I don't try too many drugstore products, but when I do, Maybelline always comes through for me, so. But yeah, what do you guys think? Please let me know down below. Leave me a comment. Don't be shy. Let me know, what do you think about this skin tint? If you haven't already, go ahead and give me a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe. I'm actually going to be doing some more reviews on skin tints because they're kind of exciting to me, and more brands are releasing them. So the next one is going to be the Smashbox Halo skin tint, which I'm really excited to try because it's more of a glowy formula. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, of course, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what skin tints you want to see in the future, what you think about this skin tint, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.